Welcome, traders, to a fun, hopefully, trade of the day. If you're short Moderna anyways, this will be a good one for you. We talked about this all morning. We actually have it up here on our sticky note. I know it's hard to read the chicken scratch here, but we talked about look for a 320 break, right? Short it if it gets up to 335. Let's look lower, and we talked about it here because of this Merck. They've made the waters a little murky here for some of these vaccine makers, and we're looking for that 320 break again. You know, that pill that Merck came with is a big game changer anyways, and a lot of these names here, Pfizer, Merck, BioNTech's, going to the downside here because of this. So let's take a look at what we're looking at here. So that's the 320 level, right? Why did we pick out the 320 level? Well, it's kind of simple. We just looked at a daily chart. Where did it crash to on Friday and stopped? About 330-ish. So, okay, we know there's some support down there, but then if you just extend this back to July or so, there's a little bit of a gathering here around 320, 300 to 320 or so, and some wicks down here. I just thought with the momentum down, I mean, it's not a super solid trade really technically here, but we like it. We identify this 310 level. Should have got out there when it crashed down. And again, that's kind of in the middle of that. So it's nothing too crazy technically, but this is what we did. And look where this trade happened. Almost as soon as the market opened, we got triggered in. We got in a little bit early here in the pre-market. You can see 320 right about here. It's that blue line has been holding. So it holds in the pre-market. One little dip down. That's too early for me, 845. Don't really want to be in the name at that point. But as it gets closer and closer to 930, we put the trade in, and then boom goes the dynamite right to the downside as it just keeps on crashing. Almost as soon as we took it, the market fell all the way down, and there we go. Look where it went down to, man, like 307, 308. Should have had that $12, $13 winner, but we're waiting for something even bigger. It didn't come. So unfortunately, it cracks back through VWAP 305 or so. 310, sorry, we take it out there at about 314 and change. So a nice little win for Moderna. And then guess what? It comes all the way back up. And this is where we were super, super patient. We waited for this. I was going to short this 320 area right here, but I actually missed that trade. And then when it came back next time, it was just way too strong to the upside. So we stayed away from that. And then we just kind of picked out some of these highs. Bouncing around there, we said, hey, if we can get a short into 330, which is why we draw this line up here, 332, kind of some of these pre-market wicks, and from back on what happened on Friday there, that 332 bottom. So we did have some options there. We take the short, we take $3 or $4, cash it in again. So we're only looking short Moderna. We have our reasons why. It's a trade of the day, 2 clean trades. Could have been better, but we're happy with the 10 or so bucks we've taken out of these 2 trades, guys. Join us every single day, 8:30, then again at 3, and we'll review stuff like this.